Hi, welcome to Amazon Live Shopping in Korea. I am your host, Sarah Soo-young. I am joined with a very special guest.
Hi guys, my name is Jian.
We're presenting a brand called Papa Recipe. So we have the honey line on one side. Over here, we have an eggplant line, guys. And we started by cleaning our face with the Bombee Honey Moisture Cleansing Foam. Apparently the honey has this ingredient that really helps clean your pores, but at the same time nourishes the skin.
I would apply Bombee honey pudding cream. It looks like a honey jar.
Yeah.
It like bounces back.
Oh, cool. Royal gel inside the honey. Like it's actually a natural property, and that's why it has that gel texture. So this is not chemical. It's actually a natural property that honey has. We're gonna go into the next eggplant collection, guys.
This is the eggplant mask.
Ooh! Oh, I love this. I actually really like this texture. You see how silky it is? Super silky, almost like watery. And what's so great about this is that even if you have very sensitive skin, this is supposed to be just completely neutral, right?
Yeah.
Just good for your skin. You don't have to worry about breaking out afterwards. So if you feel like your skin is about to break out, some pimples or some rashes, go ahead and use this right away. Guys, thank you for joining us today.
Yeah.
And I will see you on another live.
Yeah.
Bye guys, cheers.